In this video, we are looking how to tell if something is a factor of a polynomial. So how do we do that? So I'm given this polynomial and I have a factor. So does this factor belong to this polynomial? How do I find out? I'm going to divide these two and I'm going to use synthetic division. So how does that work? I'm going to take the coefficients 1, 10, the next one is 27, the next one is 18, just in order, 1, 10, 27, and 18, and I know all of them are positive. And then I am going to take this factor here, x plus 3, make it equal to 0, so I get x is equal to negative 3. So I write negative 3 here. Now the next thing, I'm going to take the first step is to bring negative 1 down, step 1. Then I'm going to take negative 3, I multiply by 1. So I get negative 3, write it in here. And then I'm going to add these two, and when I add them, I get 7. Then I'm going to take negative 3, multiply by 7, and I get negative 21. I write it here. And then I'm going to add these two. I just keep adding, so I get 6. And then I'm going to take negative 3, I multiply by 6, and I get negative 18, and I get 0. When I get a remainder of 0, I know it is a factor, so I'm going to say yes. Okay, and after factoring, actually I can write the new equation here. So what did I get? What is the new equation that I have gotten? These are coefficients of a new equation, these ones here. I've already determined whether a factor yes, so I'm just doing something extra here. So the new equation is 1x, I go 1 degree down, so 1x squared plus 7x plus 6. So actually what I have right now, I don't need to write the 1. So what I have right now is this equation and then x minus 3. So I was able to break it down, but I was able to determine what I needed, and I was also able to break the equation down into these two equations. If I multiply these ones, I will get this one back. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Determine this is a factor. We have a new equation here. So the first thing I'm going to do, so I'm going to divide. I look at the coefficients. The first one is 2. Oh, there is no x3. So there is no x power 3. So because it's missing, I'll write 0. And then the next one is 1. The next one is 2. The last one is negative 6. And I'm going to divide by x minus 3. So equal to 0. So this is 3. I bring 2 down. That's always step number 1. 3 times 2 is 6. I add those 2. I get 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Then I get 19. 19 times 3 is 57. And this is 59. I multiply that by 3. I get 177. And I get negative 171. And because this number here is not 0, then I know x minus 3 is not a factor of this polynomial.